everyone, I'm Sumi. Welcome to my channel, The Tadka Project, where I show you how to make delicious vegan Indian food. Today I'm going to show you how to make a basic vegetable pulao. It's a dish that you can find on the menu of any Indian restaurant, and I want to share how easy it is to make with you. So let's get cooking. To make my vegetable pulao, here I have a pot on medium heat. To this I'm adding a tablespoon of coconut oil. I like using coconut oil because it has the same creaminess of ghee, but obviously it's vegan. Once the oil is hot, I'm adding a teaspoon of cumin seeds, 2 small bay leaves. If your bay leaf is very big, just add 1, and 1 star anise, 2 cinnamon sticks, 3 cloves, 2 cardamom pods that I crushed to release its flavor. I'm going to mix all of this and cook till fragrant, which should just take a minute or 2. At this point, I'm going to add my sliced onions. I'm using 1 medium-sized onion here and cook till translucent. So right now, I'm going to add all my vegetables. Half a cup of chopped carrots, half a cup of chopped green beans. I'm going to mix both of these and cook for around 2 to 3 minutes to make sure that once our dish is completely cooked, they're not too crunchy. It's been 2 minutes, so at this point I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of thawed green peas, mix all of this really well, and cook for 1 more minute. Now it's time to add the rice. So here I have 1 cup of basmati rice that I had washed and rinsed under cold water to get rid of any excess starch. And this is the strained rice that I'm using. Adding this to the pot, I'm going to mix all of this really well and cook for around 2 to 3 minutes till the rice gets well coated in the oil and is a little toasty. It's been 3 minutes, so now I'm going to add my liquid. I'm using vegetable stock because it just adds a lot more flavor, but you can obviously use water as well. So since I'm using 1 cup of rice, I'm adding 1.75 cups of vegetable stock. I'm using a little less water than making steamed rice because the vegetables release water on their own. My vegetable stock does not have any salt, so I'm going to salt it generously, but obviously be careful if you're using stock that already has salt in it. I'm going to mix all of this, bring to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, reduce the heat to low, close the pot with a lid, and cook for around 18 to 20 minutes. It's been 18 minutes. I'm going to gently fluff my rice with a fork, and as you can see, it's completely cooked and the grains are separate, and that's the finished dish. So as you can see, this is a super easy dish to make. It only takes a few additional steps to making steamed rice, and it's a great way to up your rice game. It's extremely versatile. You can eat it with any curry of your choice, or you can just eat it with some vegan yogurt. But if you're feeling extra lazy, it tastes just as delicious on its own. Please like and subscribe because I come out with new vegan Indian dishes every Sunday. And let me know in the comments what you enjoyed your pulao with. And I'll see you another time with another dish. Bye.